guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post some haul videos, shopping, vlogs, all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit the subscribe button there because you don't want to miss my videos. Trust me, subscribe. Today's video, we have a Dollar Tree penny haul. I haven't done one in a while because I haven't been finding a lot of penny stuff, but we did, and this is it. So definitely grab a notebook, write down, subscribe so you don't miss the next penny haul, and let's just get into all the penny finds from Dollar Tree. I talk with my hands. I'm sorry. I finally painted my nails though. But anyway, our first penny item is the Bolero Renew Gentle Face Exfoliator Green Tea and Coconut. So what I've realized is a lot of the Bolero is a penny, but you have to watch. Always scan on the computer, on the scanner in store. And if you don't have one, download the app. If it says product not found, most likely that means it's a penny, but don't always trust it. But anyway, we have this Gentle Exfoliator Green Tea and Coconut. So we have that one. Then we have the Valero Jasmine and Orange Blossom Whipped Facial Cream, Refresh for all skin types. So we have that one. Then we have the Bolero Energy Boost Facial Moisturizer, Vitamin C and Cucumber. Interesting. I swear I've never seen these things until they're a penny. I'm like, oh, got that. Then we got the Dermacell Labs Pharmaceutical Research Ultra Gentle Shampoo, dermatologist developed for sensitive scalps. This is probably one of my favorite penny finds just because it's such a good name brand. So we got that. Then we got the Bolero Hibiscus Rose Eye Cream. I don't know how it got all smushed, probably because it was at the bottom of the bag. But I got this eye cream. Then we got the LA Colors Vampire Kiss Auto Lip Liner. I was so excited about this because I've been wanting like a nice red lip liner because I've been getting into lip liners. So we got this one. And the fact that it was a penny was like, oh, definitely getting it. Then we have the LA Colors Shimmer Jammin' Glides On Smooth Auto Eyeliner. I feel like this would be good for Halloween. So we got that. This one's my now. Then we got this one, which we've seen before, but it's just from the Valentine's Day collection. It's the lip gloss Shea Butter Oil. I love this lip gloss, so we got that. Then we got the LA Colors Too Cheeky Blush and Temptation. I like this shade. Then we got the color changing makeup sponge. I love these, so when they hit a penny, I was stoked. So got that. Then we got these Wet n Wild Bent Liner Blush. Cruelty free and all that. So this was a good find because I haven't seen this ever. So I was like, oh, and it's a penny? Yes. So I got that. Then we got the LA Colors Too Cheeky Bronzer and Bronzed Babe. I'm so stoked for this one, actually. Got that. Then we got the Bolero Soothing Night Cream Pink Pineapple and Grapefruit. Then we got the LA Colors lipstick in Passion. It's probably a penny because it was just laying there like that. So we got that. Then we got the Freeman Purifying Grapefruit 2-pack sheet masks. These have been a penny for a while. Then we found this little makeup bag. It says, I decide my vibe. Like, how cute is this holographic? How cute is this, though? Then we got some planner stickers. So these are the two sets that I found. And these are great because I love to plan everything, so. Then we have this Goes On Clear Gillette Clear Shield Cool Wave Sweat Protection. I don't know. I don't know why this was in my penny bag, but I don't remember. It might have been a penny, it might not. I don't know. But this was in my penny bag. So, I don't know. But, so, that I'm gonna have to look into that. Then I got the Brightening Bubble Clay Mask by Bio Miracle. I'm excited for this one. Then we got my receipt. Then we got the Day in and Day Out Body Massager. These have been a penny forever, but these are great. Then we have the dual-ended facial mask applicator. These are great, and I was so excited to find it for a penny. So, got that. Then, probably one of the best penny finds, actually, are these shoes. Yeah, a penny. So, Ladies Glitter Topo Sandal. And yeah, 1 cent for these shoes. There's the barcode. But yeah, 1 penny. Like, are we kidding? They're pretty decent quality too. So a penny for these shoes. So yes, please. Then we got some stickers. So we got this little set. These the same? Yeah, these are the same. This little set. My crafty girl, this one's for you. This cute little set. I think these are the same. And we got a multivitamin spa treatment mask, which we've seen these before. But yeah, I cannot believe those sandals were a penny. But yeah, I am going to look this up and see how much this deodorant was and see if it really was a penny or if it was just thrown in there. So give me a second. And I forgot, we got the cleansing brush head with the charcoal. These are great for a penny. And this deodorant is not a penny. It is $1.25. I don't know why it was in my penny bag, but still $1.25 for this deodorant is a good deal. But that completes this penny haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below what penny find you guys are still on the hunt for, and anything else you're on the hunt for. And don't forget to subscribe and share the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.